Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, I don't have any makeup on because we are doing a get ready with me. I have some newer products that I can't wait to test, mainly the Natasha Denona blush and the ABH foundation. These look incredible, so I can't wait to just use them and wear them. Let's start by prepping the lips. Actually, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal lip balm. For face primer, I'm gonna use my favorite hydrating one. This is the Essence Hello Good Stuff, because I already know that this is glowy, beautiful, and foundations usually look great on top of it, so I'm giving the ABH foundation a really good chance. I'm gonna wear this one for like 10 hours or something like that, and I'm gonna put in the description box everything about this makeup. Actually, I'm gonna tell you if something creased or if the foundation looked good, how many hours. I'm gonna tell you everything in the description box. And for the lips today, I want to do something a bit different. I want to test something. I am putting this one just to prep the lips, and then I will apply the watery lip stain from Clarins on the whole lip. I'm gonna leave it for maximum 2 minutes. I'm gonna remove it, and then we will do foundation, everything. And I want to see if I'm leaving it for a bit on the whole lip, and then I'm putting on top a matte lipstick, a full color lipstick, if it will wear better. I want to love this one, and unfortunately it doesn't look the best, so I want to see if I can use it in this way. This is the last attempt because it doesn't look good. It's just settling into cracks, so I don't love it. So as you can see, it's not smooth. You cannot apply it evenly because it is, like I said, a watery stain. Let's talk about the foundation, and then I'm gonna remove this one. So this is the ABH Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation, and I've got the shade 1.5N. As you can see, my face is lighter than my neck. My hand is also a bit lighter, but in here I've got some self-tan, so I think this shade could be nice. I'm gonna shake it and I will apply it my way. I usually apply foundations with my finger, then blend it out on the whole face, and then blend it with a sponge. So I removed it and it looks so ugly. I think I'm done with this stain. I mean, you cannot apply it evenly and it looks uneven, and my upper lip is lighter, and this is everything. I hate it. It is what it is. Let's apply the foundation. It's very, very thin in a way, but it's not a liquidy foundation. I think this will have a pretty good amount of coverage. I could already tell. So let's just put this amount everywhere. The shade looks great so far. And like I said, I'm blending it with a sponge. Yes, it is for sure medium to full coverage. I don't think it will work for me with a mattifying primer, just because it's not a liquidy foundation. I think a glowy primer will be the way to go. I want to put just the smallest bit on my forehead. I just want to see if I can build it up. I'm gonna put a bit on here as well. I know that I could use concealer for this, but I just want to see how it's building. So this is the foundation. It looks wonderful so far. It's, like I said, pretty matte, but it's not emphasizing anything. It is blurring, and maybe it's just the smallest bit heavy on my forehead, but that's only because I put 2 layers. Let's apply some concealer. I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona one. I want to use the blush now because it is the only cream product that I'm gonna use today. This is the shade Simply Shy, and this is the first impression. I got it like 2 days ago, and it was so hard to not even touch it. I am excited. It looks wonderful. So let's swatch it first, just to see the texture and everything. Okay, it's very creamy. Both of them are very creamy. So this is the blush and this is the highlighter. I think I'm gonna use my sponge for the blush and then I'm gonna apply the highlighter with my finger. I think that's the best application. And this is my favorite type of cream blush, a blush in a pen, because I can easily apply it with my sponge. It's just the best. So I'm happy that she decided to have it like this and not a liquid blush or something. So this is the application with the sponge. It's just beautiful. I think I want to apply powder and then this one on top because I don't want to lose the pigment. Let's try that. I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom powder all over and then we can apply some bronzer. I'm applying some bronzer now because I look pretty flat. This is the Infallible bronzer from L'Oreal. This is a great one. So I'm starting from here and then I'm gonna put it on the cheeks as well, and then we can remove the excess powder and apply even more of the blush because I'm really curious if I can use it on top of powder. So I'm applying just a bit more blush, but I still got the color from underneath, which is great. And I'm blending a bit on top just to see if it will remove any of my foundation or anything, but so far it looks flawless. So let's apply a bit of the highlighter. I hope I'm not gonna destroy everything. Let's see how that looks. But you need to be a bit careful with this one and not press too hard because it is like a Vaseline type of product. The blush is just a bit more like a normal cream. This one is a bit more oily in a way. I'm gonna just blend the edges a bit and then I'm gonna apply the Fix Plus Stay Over just to melt everything into the skin and set the highlighter as well a bit. I did my brows as well. Apparently the setting spray was not the best. This makeup looks nice from afar, but if you're looking very close, some things are not perfect. I think it is my fault. I applied way too much foundation first of all, so next time for sure a thinner layer. And then I think I applied too much blush and highlighter because I don't know if you are able to see, but right here I have just a bit. It looks a bit not the best. So less foundation, less blush. I need to watch Natasha Denona and how she's applying this, but it looks great. It has great potential. Let's do lips. Did I tell you that I did my brows? Yeah, nothing new there. So for our lips, I want to use the Maybelline Lifter Liner, then the Smooth Whip from NYX in the shade Pancake Stacks. And then I'm gonna put the smallest bit of this tiny lip gloss on top. We are gonna talk about that one when I'm getting there. But the lip stain doesn't look the best. Sure, I have some color on the lips, but it's patchy and uneven, so why would I want something like that? Interestingly enough, if I'm putting a lip liner on, the stain doesn't look that bad. But yeah, I'm curious to see if I'm putting some other products on, how it will look throughout the day. So I bought a Haus Labs lip oil. It is the PhD Hybrid Lip Oil, the clear one. And I bought the mini one. I don't know, I need to check online if the normal size is bigger in applicator and everything, because this applicator is a joke and the stopper is so strong. I need to dip in here like 5 times. I understand that this is a mini, but that's all. So I need to dip in here like 1,000,000 times so I can cover my lips. That's very annoying. So that's with the lips. They are looking nice now, but like I said, I'm curious to see throughout the day. I'm prepping the eyes. We are gonna do a very easy eye look. And where is my brush? This one. I think I want to use only the Nimia palette, and I'm gonna do like a gold look, something neutral and simple. So from the Nimia palette, I'm gonna use Before Basic, then probably Bronzer, and then we will use, I think, Supreme Queen on the lid. So I think that will be all, because like I said, I don't want something very complicated, just something cute on the eyes. I'm using a Zoeva 239. It's just like a flat brush. I think I'm gonna use this one for the whole look. Now I'm using the other shade. It's just a bit darker, and I'm emphasizing the outer edge. And I'm flipping the brush, taking Supreme Queen, using a bit of setting spray, and that's the lid shade and the inner corner as well. Easy peasy. I don't have any fallout or something like that. I curled my lashes, and now I'm applying mascara. This is the Lash Without Limits in brown. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm gonna wear it, like I said, for the whole day. It is 10 and a half right now, so I'm gonna just put, like I said, in the description box an update later in the evening, because I'm sure that after my oils are coming through a bit, the foundation will look a bit more natural, hopefully. Right now it looks a bit heavy, and that's a note, so just use one layer. It is full coverage enough, or higher coverage enough, so you don't need multiple layers. Just use your concealer to spot conceal if that's the case. This is matte blurring, and I'm happy with this shade. It is a pretty good shade for me overall. And yeah, the blush, I need to learn a bit more how to use it. Maybe I need to apply both the blush and the highlighter with my finger. I'm not sure. It looks nice from afar, but up close and personal, it is a bit patchy right here. I don't know if it is because I applied the setting spray and then blended again a bit with the sponge. Maybe I should have left it alone, but overall the formula is nice. For the lip stain, I'm gonna update you on that as well, because maybe it will look nice. I don't know. It's just a bit of a disappointing product overall. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you next time.